well to make a little house. I was admitted in the hospital. Oh, this is a tablespoon. Guys, I'm so in love with this new toy. It's always a good idea to... Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I must say I'm so happy to be back here today. I've missed you guys so much. Like, this is probably, yeah, maybe the longest that I've been gone. And yeah, I haven't been posting on any of my social medias for about a month now, or roughly around there. And today, before I started showing you more videos and tutorials and stuff like that, I just wanted to sit down with you guys and do a sort of a vlog style video. Yeah, so today is just a laid back day at home for me. So I'm just, if I sit down, so I'm just gonna go in the living room and get a little bit more comfortable. Guys, I'm so in love with this new hair that I'm wearing. It is so pretty and looks so natural. I have a video coming on this one on Thursday, showing you guys all the details about this hair. So if you're interested in seeing that, you can watch Thursday's video. Hoping that the lighting doesn't interfere too much with it from this angle. I think I'm gonna pin my hair back a little bit. So if you follow me on social media, you know that I have not been active on any of my social platforms for the past few weeks. I really don't think that this is working out with this lighting though. It's really horrible, the lighting right now, because I'm sitting in front of the window. But what else should I do? Close the shutter a little bit. Yeah, I think it's a lot better now. So like I was saying, I have not been active on any of my social platforms for the past few weeks, and I did make a post telling you guys that I would not be active for a while and that I needed some time. And the reason for that is because I've been ill. I was actually admitted in the hospital for about 6 days, and yeah, because I had a major surgery. And now I'm just here. I've only started feeling a bit better, being able to stand up and move around since like 2 days ago. I've been moving from before, but I couldn't stand for more than about 5-10 minutes. So now I'm able to move on a bit more, and I'm feeling a lot better. And I won't be getting into too much details about that because it's really personal for me. And I know that a lot of you guys understand, because when I made that post a few weeks ago, some of you were telling me I don't need to feel pressured or feel compelled to tell the reason why I'm absent and anything like that. And I really appreciate it. I must say that you guys are so respectful and so classy, and I'm really appreciative of that. I'm somewhat of a private person. Yeah, I'm kind of a really private person, but I still want to be open with you guys and share certain stuff. But I just think that some things are still a bit too personal to just put all over the internet, and you don't really know who is watching. So today I'm just basically staying home, not doing so much, doing the bare minimum, just trying to recoup as quickly as I can. Somebody's doing some construction work, so sorry about that, guys. I was actually supposed to be in school today because I started my last level for my German class, but I'm not feeling so fit, and I might have to cancel for this year because I already missed about 4 classes. But yeah, health is wealth. Health comes first, so I just have to give myself the necessary time to recoup and just not do so much. I just want you guys to know that I'm okay and I'm feeling well. I'm feeling good. God has been truly good to me, and I'm just feeling extremely blessed. So grateful for my dear husband, for my family, and for my friends, and for you guys, for your constant prayers and for your support. And I want you guys to know that I'm also praying for you, because I got some messages also when I made that post, and I want you guys to know that I'm truly praying for you, and I know you guys are also praying for me. I'm extremely grateful and appreciative. So that's basically what I wanted to say about why I've been gone. And I bought some products that I want to show you guys, and some of you, most of you probably know them already because you guys actually suggested these products for me. But I finally got my hands on them. Couldn't get them here in Germany for some strange reason, but just gonna show you guys what I got. So I finally got these new products that I ordered a couple of weeks ago, but I bought the TGIN Miracle Repair CPR hair treatment, and I got 2 of those because I had to order these from the US, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough to at least last me throughout winter. So I got 2 of the masks, and I got 2 of the twist and define cream, and I also bought such a fight getting this out with just one hand. Yeah, finally. So I got the triple moisture replenishing conditioner and the moisture rich sulfate free shampoo, twist and define cream 2 times, and the miracle repair hair mask. So those are all the stuff that I bought from TGIN. Well, actually I bought one more thing, which is the leave-in conditioner, but I bought that on Amazon DE. Thank goodness I was able to find that there, because I could not get it on the US side for some reason. I think it was out. So that one will be coming on Saturday. So when it comes, I'll be doing a full wash day deep condition routine for you guys, so you guys can look out for that in the coming weeks or so. I'll be doing a proper wash day routine with these products. And who knows, I might also buy the other product, because we're entering the colder months now, and it's always a good idea to have as much hydrating, moisturizing products for your hair as you possibly can. So I think I will just be trying out as I am as well, and try it out for those of you who have not yet used this product and would like to know the reviews on that particular product. Oh guys, I'm really loving my nails. I pretty much always use this color around this time of year. From fall to winter, I go for dark browns and reds. And this particular polish is from Essie, and the color is Wicked. Don't know why they gave it such a horrible name, but yeah, I really love the color. It's really pretty. I'll try and link it in the description box for anyone who might be looking for a beautiful deep brown color like this one for fall winter time. I just got this one in the mail a while ago, and it is Indian hemp, 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment. So it's like a hair oil. I haven't used a hair oil in my hair for ages, and I just kind of felt like my hair needed some hair oil, so I decided to purchase one, and this is what it's looking like. I'm actually in a book club with my sisters, and we're currently reading Switch on Your Brain by Dr. Carolyn Leaf. And that's a book that really teaches you to detox your brain. And it's actually a really, really good book about how you can train your mind and your brain overall to do what you wanted to do, or to think the thoughts that you wanted to think. And I know there are several types of books like these, but if you guys like reading self-help books, but this one is not just a typical self-help book, because this one is biblically based, so you get like some truth to it and what God intended for us when we got our brains, and how we're supposed to use it to optimize the life that we live. So you guys can check that out. I will try to link it as well in the description box if it's something that you guys are interested in. The last book we read was a month ago, and that was How to Overcome Procrastination, and that one is by Pastor Dion Thomas. I'll also be linking that in the description box. So this book club that we have, we try to go through like 1 book per month. We have another meeting on Saturday coming, so I'm just trying to catch up on some reading. I'm just trying to finish up the rest of the book so that I'm able to discuss it on Saturday. So I'm going on the road right now. I have to go to the hardware to get a pot to put this in. This aloe vera plant was on the windowsill for a while, and it has grown so big. It's so huge. I just mopped up right here, and look at it right now. I tried to move it, and then it just turned over, so it is way too big for this pot. Look at it. It can't even stand up straight. If I let it go right now, it's gonna tumble over again. If I let it go right now, babe. So guys, it's really cold now here in Germany, so we already start to put bird food on the trees for the birds. So I'm gonna put some out there right now. We're now at the Baumarkt tomb. Gonna get a bigger pot for the plant, and possibly also some dirt to transplant the plant. Oh my gosh, there's some beautiful flowers here. Christmas decorations are already out, guys. Oh, it's already starting to feel like Christmas. So excited. I love Christmas time. Love Christmas time. Advent crowns here. Ooh. Toy Weihnachten. These are all too narrow. I transplanted this aloe vera once before because when I got it, it was really small. So we had it for more than 2 years now, maybe almost 3 years. So that's why it's so big. So now I need a pot that can hold it for the next 2 years, hopefully, at least. So we need to get some boards as well to make a little house, because we have a hedgehog living in the garage just since like a week and a half ago because of the cold. So it's getting really cold here in Germany, so it can't stay outside in the garden anymore. And yeah, we're just gonna make a little house so it's a little bit more comfortable and not so cold during the winter. So now we got everything. We're just heading out now to go back home. Oh, I need some paper towels. So we chose this plant pot, and yeah, that's basically all we got. We're about to make some dinner right now. We're about to make some Käsespätzle. That is ein typisches deutsches Essen, a typical German dish. So I've been feeling for that for a few days now, so we're gonna just cook that. I'm gonna film it so you guys can see a little bit of the procedure, how it is done. I always use this one.
There is the measurement.
Oh, this is a tablespoon. You want tea or tea?
Tablespoon. Tablespoon is this. Where can I put the dirt in, Mariam?
Which dirt?
From the Zwiebel.